Hello everyone. Today we are unboxing a new tool, the FNIRSI Portable Fast Control DC Power Supply, which is an adjustable power supply. The biggest advantage of this power supply is its compact size, making it easy to carry for outdoor use. Let's take a look at its main parameters. Output voltage 0 to 3 sieverts, current 0.5 A, and maximum output power of 150 W. It has several protection mechanisms, including overvoltage protection, overcurrent protection. Inside, there is a user manual, a main unit, and a data cable. This adjustable power supply can be connected to a computer to view or set parameters, along with a pair of alligator clips, where red is positive and black is negative. The size of the main unit is about the size of a palm. The front has a display screen and function buttons, and there is a fluctuation switch used to adjust current and voltage. The power output has two interfaces, red for positive and blue for negative. The display screen, it can be folded about 90 degrees, making it easy for us to adjust the viewing angle. There are several interfaces on the back. This interface is used to connect to a computer for viewing and controlling parameters. The fluctuation switch is used to switch power supply. If the switch is turned to the left, it uses PD protocol Type-C power supply, such as a power bank or phone charger. If turned to the right, it uses a DC plug power supply. The input voltage is 5 to 32 volts. To obtain an output, let's connect it and try. When using the charger, switch to the left, then connect the power supply. Now this power supply has started working. It is currently in English. Press the leftmost button to switch to the menu, where you can set the language to Chinese. Now it's done. You can also set the style, with regular and industrial styles to choose from based on your preference. You can also set the screen brightness and volume. At the bottom is the measurement switch, which is used for charging lithium batteries and to count capacity, aside from system settings. There is also a power setting. Generally, you don't need to change the default parameters. The main parameters on the industrial interface will be displayed larger. The top shows output voltage, the middle shows output current, and the bottom shows output power. Energy statistics are used to calculate amp hours and watt hours. Since we are using a phone charger, the maximum voltage for PD protocol is 20 V, so the input voltage is 20 V. The bottom shows the set output voltage and output current. Next, let's test the short circuit protection function. Shorting the output will not cause any issues. If this power supply experiences continuous protection in a short time, meaning you connect it and immediately release it, then reconnect it, it will stop outputting. You need to press the power button again to restart. If it remains shorted, it will output a constant current. Let's connect a load to test. This adjustable power supply can adjust current and voltage whether it is starting up or not. And the adjustment, when rotating the fluctuation switch, it adjusts in increments of 1 amp. Move the cursor to the digit after the decimal point, and the adjustment will be in 100 mAh increments. If you need higher precision for adjustments, just move the cursor a bit further back. The fast control encoder adjustment is more precise than traditional potentiometer adjustments. For example, if you want to adjust to a 1 mA current, using this fast control encoder makes it easy to set. If using a traditional potentiometer, we can observe its current changes. For instance, when repairing a computer motherboard or phone motherboard, we can check the startup current. When a machine malfunctions, we can determine which part has an issue by observing the current. Long pressing the M key allows for group settings, with a total of 6 groups for commonly used voltages. Once set, we can quickly switch voltages by pressing this button. Common voltages for repairs are 3 V, 5 V, 12 V, and 24 V. Additionally, the output voltage, with an input voltage of 20 V, the output voltage will not exceed 20 V. Therefore, to achieve the highest output power, you need to select a 32 V5A input power supply, which allows the output power to reach 150 V. The voltage can be adjusted between 0 to 30 V. When used for charging batteries, we can check the energy statistics on the screen to calculate the battery capacity. This adjustable power supply can be used for testing, maintenance, or charging batteries, making it is also convenient to carry.